In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Facebook account to your WordPress website. This integration is a fantastic way to increase your online reach and drive more traffic between your social media presence and your site. So, let's dive in and go through the process step by step to make your website even more interactive and engaging. First things first, you'll need to set up a Facebook app. Head over to the Facebook for Developers website. If you don't have a developer account yet, you'll need to create one using your existing Facebook credentials. Once you're logged in, look for the My Apps menu found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and then choose Add a new app from the drop-down menu. Now, you'll be prompted to enter a display name and an email address for your app. Choose something that clearly identifies the app's purpose, and make sure that the email address is one that you check regularly. After entering the required information, click on the Create App ID button. For verification purposes, you might need to complete a quick security check, so follow any on-screen instructions if prompted. Once you're in your app's dashboard, your next step is to configure it. Look for the Add a Product section on the left sidebar. Here, you'll want to select Facebook Login and click Set Up. Even though this isn't strictly about logging in, this feature will facilitate the connection between WordPress and Facebook. Stick to the default options for now and proceed through the quick start guide that appears. At this stage, we need to switch over to your WordPress site. Log into your WordPress admin panel and navigate to the Plugins section. You're going to need a plugin to help link Facebook with WordPress. Search for a plugin like Next-End Social Login and Register. Once you find it, go ahead and install and activate the plugin. Next, you'll need to configure this plugin using the information from your newly created Facebook app. Head back to the Facebook developer dashboard and click on Settings. Then within that menu, click on Basic. Here, you'll find your app ID and app secret. Copy these two bits of information carefully over to the corresponding fields in the WordPress plugin settings. Save your changes as instructed in the plugin documentation. With this setup, you'll now have the ability to connect your Facebook profile to your WordPress site. This configuration aims to enhance sharing capabilities, engaging users by allowing them to easily follow your updates. Once you've verified everything is working correctly, you're all set. Visitors can seamlessly interact with your content across platforms, boosting your online presence. Regular maintenance of both your Facebook app and WordPress plugin will ensure that the connection remains seamless and functional. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Subscribe for more tutorials, and feel free to leave any questions or thoughts in the comments.